Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Barbican and you're looking at Barbican Circle. And across the road from Barbican Circle to the left is the Loshusan supermarket. Now Loshusan plans to extend the supermarket over onto Barbican Circle. So it's going to be a massive development. A couple of years ago, the Loshusan company bought the land we're looking at now for $1.1 billion. That was back in 2010. So you can imagine how much it's worth now. That structure we're looking at now is actually the Hilo supermarket. And to the right of that, that's East Kings House Road. So Hilo has a 99-year lease for the property. So the extension of the supermarket won't affect Hilo. Hilo will still be there. But everything else on the property will become the new plaza. And that road you're looking at now used to be the main road to get you from East Kings House Road to Barbican Road. It goes around the property. And the alignment of the road was changed a couple of years ago. And since the alignment change, you can now extend the plaza. So I guess they'll just do it when they are ready. And Barbican is a very busy area. If you can just look at the housing developments around it. I actually didn't realize there were so many high-rise buildings in this area. To the top of the screen, that's Barbican Road, 4-lane dual carriageway. East Kings House Road at the intersection with Barbican Road is now a 4-lane dual carriageway. And they have plans to extend East Kings House Road all the way to Hope Road to be 4 lanes. As currently now, when East Kings House Road passes the Loshusan, or the correct name is Barbican Center. When it passes Barbican Center, it merges to 2 lanes, but it's going to be extended to 4 lanes. Look at all of these developments. Very, very impressive. So the Barbican Center has a supermarket called Loshusan in it. That's why a lot of people just call it the Loshusan Plaza. It's a very popular plaza in Kingston, and it has everything you need for a successful plaza. The first thing, a brand name supermarket, large supermarket, which is Loshusan. Second, it has food stores, it has restaurants, fast food restaurants. It has Wendy's over there. And third, you need to build it in a populated area, and Barbican is a very busy area in Jamaica. Let's look at all these developments around it. So we'll keep you guys updated. They haven't announced yet a start date for the expansion of the plaza, but it should do very well because all the shops at the Barbican Center / Loshusan Plaza are booked out, are occupied. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And that high-rise building we're looking at is the Skyview Apartments. It was recently built. I'm not even sure if they're completed, but probably completed by now, but it was a recent development. Alright, but this is what you call prime real estate in Jamaica. Prime real estate. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on this development. Alright guys, have a good day. Yeah.